Yeah, sure.
Usha ma'am, you are on now.
Yeah, sorry. Okay. So, namaste to all of you, and welcome to the second session of Back to Roots interview session with our alumni. And uh, namaste to one and all present over here.
Namaste.
So, namaste Unmuka, how are you?
I'm fine, ma'am.
Yeah. So let us first begin with the glimpses of Unmuka's journey at RRIS. Priyanka ma'am, can you start the video, please?
Yes, ma'am.
Usha ma'am, I request you to adjust your camera. We are not able to see you fully. Your full face is not visible.
Yeah, is it clear, ma'am? Is
This
it
is
fine now?
better, but still the full face is not visible.
Okay. Now?
Yes, yes. This is better. Not now.
Okay. No? I was actually trying with my, yeah, this is fine, ma'am?
Yes, this is better.
Okay, fine.
Usha ma'am, can you see my screen?
No.
Anyone else
ma'am.
who can? No.
No, ma'am, no.
Okay.
Usha ma'am, do I need to play the video?
Yes, Amit sir, please start.
Just one second, ma'am. I'll just open my folder and I'll share my screen. Just one second. So I'll just quickly share my screen. I hope you all can see it. And I'll keep my audio in full flow so that you all can hear the slight music that we are playing along with this. All right, Usha ma'am, over to you. I start playing the video now.
Yes, sir. Start. So let's the glimpses of Unmuka's journey at RRIS.
So,
Use one part of the video. There's another small one that I have. So I'll play that as well.
okay, sir.
So there are two.
This is the same one being repeated.
I think it's the same one.
The voice is. We can stop this here.
Yes, yes. Yes, Usha ma'am.
Okay. So, yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Amit sir and Priyanka ma'am. So, Unmuka, how did you feel looking at the glimpses of your journey at RRIS?
I just went back to those days where I was all this girl who was all into sports and not into academics. I just relived those days.
Okay. So I would rather say that Unmuka was very chirpy. I mean, not was, is very chirpy and active student. And when at RRIS, I would not say that you were not good academic. You were fairly good, but very active in sports and the dance activities. And she has also brought laurels in sports for. I think, for discus throw, shot put, and kho. And she is a very good dancer, and she actively took part in all the school events. So, for session of Back to Roots, I think this is a very good initiative where we get to reconnect with you all and be in touch and to know that where our students our students, yes, you are always our students, stand today, what are you doing, and be connected. Ma'am, begin our interview.
Yes, Usha ma'am, please begin. It was really nostalgic to see Unmuka again in those days. All the best to both of you. Please start.
Okay. Yeah, thank you, ma'am. So, Unmuka, to begin with, I would like to know, I mean, we would all like to know, what are you currently doing? You are in which institute and which course are you pursuing?
Currently I'm in K.S. Shroff College and I'm pursuing bachelor's in mass media. I just finished my first year and I'm now in the second year.
So how are you finding it? Like, how come you have chosen that field? Were you interested, or did you feel through the course of time when after the school you found out that I should do that? Like, how did you join mass media? What made you choose that field?
I always wanted to go into media field. From my school days, I always wanted to go into media field and industry. So when I was in my school time, I used to always think of being a planner and everything, event management. Then I realized in my 12th that I want to do digital marketing or public relations in the future. So yeah, I was having that idea of going into media from my school days only.
Okay, so how are you finding the course now? Is it like the way you have perceived? Is it are you enjoying doing that?
Yeah, actually, the advantage of my college is it's autonomous college. So we decide the course, we decide the syllabus, and we decide the subjects. So the subjects which we are now learning is more of practical than theoretical. So it's kind of interesting to learn the subjects.
Wow, great. Great to know about it. Okay, so are you interested in reading?
I was
Do you read
interested in
books?
reading in my I was interested in reading in my high school, like 11th, 12th, but then I just lost my interest because I was more into events, my college competitions, and everything. But I have read some books like The Thief Love. It's more of a suspense kind of a book. So
Mm-hmm.
I want to start the habit of reading books.
So
So this is the recent book that I have read.
yeah, I know it's a very good habit. Okay, so do you? I mean, you are more into suspense and mystery, no,
Yeah, I'm more into
non-fiction kind of
thriller, suspense.
reader.
Yeah, I'm more into suspense,
Okay, so
thriller.
which book you have read late of late?
I just started reading the book The Thief
So
Love. It's more of a suspense kind of a book. So yeah.
okay, so
Ma'am, I can't hear
in this
you.
lockdown, you're reading that book.
Yeah.
Okay, in the lockdown period, you have started reading that book.
Yeah. I just started like it's
Have
been 2 weeks.
oh, okay, good. So you were into sports and you were also training in dance. So where like are you still pursuing sports? Are you taking part in sports? Because I think you were good in discus throw, shot put, kho. So you had won laurels for the school. So are you still pursuing sports?
Yeah,
You were trained in. I think you were trained in.
my college has some competitions like
Yeah.
inter college and competitions they have. So I participate in those. I recently got
Mm-hmm.
the champion girl trophy from my college, and I got quite a few medals from my college in discus throw and shot put only.
Which sports? Okay. So, what about? I think you were in taekwondo also.
No.
You were a part of taekwondo.
No, I wasn't part of
No,
taekwondo. I was in shot put, discus, and volleyball.
volleyball. So, okay. So now you are pursuing shot put and discus throw, right?
I won't say pursuing, but I just take part because I like doing that. So yeah.
Yeah. Okay, you're still doing that. Okay, good. And what about dance? I know that you're a very good dancer. You are a you have been trained in that. You have been taking part in school events. So, do you still
Yeah.
take part in your college events and do you still dance?
Yeah. I just recently took part in inter college event in dance. So I was in PR, I
Mm-hmm.
was in the media team also and in the dance team also. So it was a nice experience for me.
Okay, wow. It's great to know that you're still like dancing and taking part in dance events. And
Yeah.
what kind of music do you follow?
I follow mostly indie music or single albums. The indie band is basically uh, like when chai made toast or local train, that sort of music I follow.
Okay. So tell me something about like how has your journey in school? How is your has your journey been after school? Like what new skills you have acquired after you have passed out from the school?
So after in my school, actually, it gave me an idea or a idea about what to do in future. So also after my school, I just
Mm-hmm.
took 3 months boxing course for myself to just pass the time
Oh,
till I
wow,
get
that's
into
great.
college.
Uh-huh.
So yeah, that
Okay.
sort of gave me an overall idea
And
what I have to do and what I have not to
okay. So any other skills related to academics also you have acquired after you passed out from the school
do.
after
I
that?
took a digital marketing course from my college. It was
Mm-hmm.
compulsory for us to take a digital marketing course for our credits. So I took digital marketing course.
Okay.
And we have
Uh-huh.
to take a course every
Okay.
semester. So I'm looking forward to taking such courses more.
Oh, that's really nice. Like, learning new skills, and that too, like, which will add on to your grades, to your scores. So,
Yeah, yeah.
what are your, long term, short term, and long term goals? What are you looking into? Like, what are your goals? You must have set some goals, some objectives that I want to do this. So, what are your short term means in this period, what you want to do, and in the
Uh,
future, what you want to do?
so I in future and in short term also have to go into media field. But for the short term thing, I'm
Mm-hmm.
thinking of going into digital marketing, which I also did an internship
Mm-hmm.
about that in digital marketing. And the other
Mm-hmm.
is I have to go into PR in the future, public relations.
Okay. Public relations. Okay, okay, good.
Yeah,
So your goal is all set. You know that you are just looking ahead that what you want to exactly do in your life. So that's great.
yeah,
I mean, we should have a goal, and then only we will be able to achieve that, right?
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay. So what difference do you find between your journey in school and journey after, like, post school, after that? So what difference do you find?
There's a huge difference between school life and college life. In school life, you mainly
Mm-hmm.
concentrate on studies and you don't get involved in so much curricular activities because you are more you're more concentrated into studies. But when the moment you
Mm-hmm.
step into college, all you have to do is join clubs, do competitions, do events, even studies, presentations, projects, and all sort of things. It's a multitasking thing in college, and in school life, it's basically more into academics and sports and everything.
Okay. So, do you feel your school experience at RRIS has given you an edge over your peers? Like, you must have, when you have joined in the college, like, from various schools, your friends must be from other different schools. So, you being at RRIS, did it make a difference? Did
Yeah, it
it give
definitely.
you, yeah, different edge? Yeah,
Yeah,
specific
it
edge.
definitely gave me an edge because in my school I was not at all confident or not at all communicating with anyone. But at
Mm-hmm.
indirectly, it sort of gave me a push to communicate with people or to build confidence in yourself and to do whatever you want to do. So it definitely gave me an edge over my peers.
Like, did you like what RRIS has done for you? Like, whatever experience you must have experienced at RRIS, like there were many events you were taking part and in sports and all. So did that help you from the other from when you went to the college or when you stepped into the outside world? So did it help you?
Yeah, it helped me because as I was very interested in dance, so
Mm-hmm.
school also made like a school made me do made improve my dance skills. So when I went to college, I gave a few auditions about my dance and they liked it, and that's how I went into dance club and everything.
Okay. Okay. And what learnings from school do you think, that has helped you to sail smoothly through the challenges of the outside? Like, what has made it easy for you? Like, whatever you have learned from the school, how it has made it easy for you to be able to whatever you are doing in college or right now, whatever you're doing. So, how it has helped you?
So I remember the school has had counseling sessions or personality development sessions or all sort of sessions.
Mm-hmm.
So that sort of helped
Mm-hmm.
me a lot when I was going towards my college life. It gave me a perspective.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah,
So, uh, okay. So after you have passed out in 2017, and I think since 2 years we have started with the happy practices, school practices daily. There is a celebration daily. You must have seen on our Facebook and various medias where we celebrate. Like each day is a celebration. Okay.
yeah.
Many happy practices we have started. So, do you know about it?
Yeah, my mother always my mother shows me because she follows the Ramratna pages now, so she always updates me with the
Wow.
days and everything.
Okay. So how do you find it?
When I was in school, we were experienced. My best day was Teachers' Day because we used to dance for teachers, or Gratitude
Mm-hmm.
Day and everything. So
Mm-hmm.
I liked attending those days, and even when I see the Facebook page and so sort of events,
Mm-hmm.
I remember those days. So yeah, it's really nice.
Okay. So, okay. So tell me about your best memories of school days.
My best memories from school days would be the one day camps in the schools, or where we used to sleep in the art room, or
Mm-hmm.
or other classrooms and everything. Our trips where
Uh-huh.
we
Okay.
went to Nainital and everything. The practice session before an event, like the Invigilators Day or the Sports Day, Annual Day. All the behind the scenes are
Oh,
very memorable.
okay. So you find those days like you still remember them. Uh,
Yeah.
and yeah, which were your two favorite subjects at school?
My two favorite subjects were ICT and biology.
Okay, wow, that's that's really nice. Like, can you just add on to that? Why is it your favorite subject?
Biology is because Smita ma'am. That's all I'm going to
Oh,
say,
wow.
because she has helped me a lot, because I had a ton of doubts in biology and she helped me through everything. And ICT because
Wow,
Bharti
good.
ma'am also, because of Bharti ma'am. These two subjects is because of these two teachers. They both are
Wow,
like,
good. It's
because of
really
them I passed my school days.
wow. It's really very nice to hear. Bharti ma'am is not there with us, but yes, Smita ma'am is definitely listening to you. And it's really nice to know that you love this subject. So, are you doing anything in these subjects right now, or are you in touch with these subjects, ICT and biology?
ICT is like, we have to go on with the computer thing, because in media you need the computer skills and everything. So I am going ICT.
Your voice
Biology,
is not clear.
in
Uh-huh.
because ICT is ICT is basically based on computer skills and everything. So in media you need technology and everything. So I am continuing with the
I
technology.
think your voice is breaking off, Unmuka. It's not clear. It's not
Hello.
clear. Your voice is breaking off.
We are able to
Can you
hear
just
her.
repeat it again, please? Please check your
Your
connection.
line is not quite clear, but we are able to hear her.
Amit sir, your voice is breaking, but Unmukha, your voice we can hear. Usha ma'am, we are able to hear Unmukha.
Okay, okay. So I think then there is some connection issue. Okay, fine. So moving ahead, um, what is your view on a good teacher and student relationship? So, if you can, share any example of how you can tell about a good teacher-student relationship you have experienced while you were schooling at RRIS, about your experience, giving an example of your experience about a good student and teacher relationship.
As per my point of view, good teacher relationship is
Yes.
basically it's basically when your teacher becomes your friend, so that it becomes very easy to communicate with
Hmm.
them, and to because I was not
Hmm.
very good in academics, so I had to communicate with my teachers to like just
Hmm.
teach me, or I have doubts in certain parts or certain subjects. So my one experience was when I was
Hmm.
like 1 month away from my board exams. I had a lot of doubts in biology. So before exam, I used to go to Smita
Hmm.
ma'am in biology lab. She used to sit in a cabin. I used to go to her and I used to ask
Hmm.
her very
Hmm.
very straightforwardly, ki ma'am, teach me this chapter because I don't understand this chapter. And she sweetly explained it to me, the
Hmm.
entire chapter, while she was having a lunch.
Okay, wow, that's really nice. So, any other like instance you would like to share about your experience at RRIS?
I was into sports also, so Swapnil sir also helped me, helped me push towards achieving something.
Mm-hmm.
So in shot put, when I used to throw 1 meter less from my goal, he used to always push me, no, you can do it. So it helped me
Mm-hmm.
a lot in my competitions.
Yeah, good to know that. So, you feel that yes, student teacher relationship is important, right? In building the confidence of the student, right? So you
Yeah,
mean
yeah,
to say that?
yeah. It's very important.
Okay. So it has motivated you, it has given you a boost, and it has made you, uh, break that fear for any subject. That's why you love that subject, right?
Yeah,
Mean to
yeah,
say that. Yes, Unuka?
yeah, yeah.
Okay. So, okay. Who is your role model in society, whom you look up to?
In society, I would say I have she's a YouTuber, Prajakta Koi. She's famously
Mm-hmm.
known as Mostly Sane. Most everybody knows her. So her content or her
Mm-hmm.
way of, how she presents herself is very looking up to.
So she presents on what? Like there must be some
She
theme, some
she
topic which
creates
she
yeah
presents
she
on. Huh?
creates comedy content. She is a content
Uh-huh.
creator, so she creates comedy content on her
Okay.
YouTube page. So I
Okay.
like the how way she looks at the society or the way she looks at a situation.
So you mean to say like the way she looks at the situation in a humorous manner, and then how
Yeah,
she
she
is
makes it
like
simple.
she makes it simple. So
Yeah,
okay,
even if
so
it's a
she's your role
difficult
model.
situation or you can't deal with it, she just makes it simple.
Okay, so how do you what you traits you have taken from her?
I won't say I have taken any traits, but I'm implementing those in my life. Like if she's seeing a situation in a different way, I try and do the same thing so that it becomes a little less difficult for me.
Yes, Unmuka?
uh, Hello, can you hear me?
Hello, yeah. Yes, yes. Huh.
So as I don't have any traits of her, but I try and implement it in my daily life. I try and see
Mm-hmm.
all the situations in a less difficult way.
Okay, so I mean, you try to look at things positively, okay, so that
Yeah,
you can
yeah,
go through the difficult times. Okay,
yeah, yeah.
so what is your advice for your juniors, like juniors in school, those who are in school? What is your advice for them?
Just enjoy your school life while you can, because when you step out of your school and enter college, you'll realize those days. Even if you're cribbing about it right now, you'll miss those days. Just enjoy as much as you can, because I'm missing my
Okay,
school days very much.
yeah.
Ma'am, I can't hear you.
I think we have lost Usha ma'am. She's still there. But then I feel there is
Amit sir, your voice is not clear.
just a second, ma'am. I will
Yeah,
write.
please.
Usha ma'am, can you hear us? Usha ma'am?
Usha ma'am, I guess left.
No, she's still there, but there seems to be some connectivity issue. So, it it was really a pleasure to listen to you, and you have grown up to be such a confident girl. You were always confident, and we are happy to see that you are pursuing your passion. And we are very sure that you will build a niche for yourself in the area of mass media. And also
Yeah.
happy with your you will make your college proud just the way you make your school proud. Keep working on your fitness for fitness and you're already doing bleeding. That will take well. I would
Yeah,
also
sure, ma'am.
you and your entire batch has contributed to the school economy. All the teachers
Hello.
building themselves as teachers do very well. Now we have Usha ma'am. I would like her to carry on with the session. Usha ma'am, can you hear?
Uh,
Yeah.
Ma'am,
Okay.
actually, what message you gave
Yes, I
was
can
your
hear
voice
you.
was cracking.
My voice was cracking.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am, actually.
I'm
Nothing could be heard clearly, actually.
Usha ma'am, please carry on.
Yes. Okay. So I was asking. I think the connection broke off. So how can the school support ex students? That's what I had asked last, Onmuka.
Okay, so as me being
Do
an
you have any
ex-student,
suggestions for that? Uh-huh.
as me being an ex-student, I miss those school days and the events or the pre-planning
Uh-huh.
of the events. So we would be
Mm-hmm.
happy to have a get together of all the alumni and to have just fun, chat, meet, and just to have a good time with each other and the teachers.
Okay. Good. So we will, of course, take your suggestions, and we will arrange one such event once all this coronavirus things goes away, and we hope
Yeah,
that it
looking
happens
forward
soon.
to it.
So yes, we are. In fact, we are all looking forward to it. So, what is that one thing about school that you miss the most? You feel that,
Honestly,
hmm.
yeah, honestly, it's school uniform. I also
Oh, that's
I miss my school uniform a lot. Those
oh.
getting
I
ready
mean,
every
that's
day
a
and all
really
that.
very okay. So I think that's a very unique answer. Like, it's really very sure that you're missing the school uniform. Uh,
Yeah, a lot.
so, given a chance, would you want to come back to school for a day? Actually, you have. I think you have already answered this question, but not as to enjoy fun. But would you like to just come and
Come
uh,
back to school
come
and be
back
a
to school?
student for a
Yeah.
day. Yes, I will
Uh,
be a student for a day or for a week if it's possible.
okay, with the uniform and all.
Yeah,
With the uniform and all, because you really are missing the
yeah.
uniform,
If the
right?
school is providing it, then I'll just wear it.
Okay. So, what three things do you feel the school can do better than we are doing now? What do you feel that we can do more better? There are many things which we have introduced, but what else do you feel from your perspective that we could have done better? We could do better. Uh, gi- uh,
I can't think of anything, but what I think is, as you introduce this program is Back to Roots. I guess this
mm,
program should also be with the juniors,
mhm.
so that you can get to know them better, and also
Mm.
some counseling sessions for them and more trips.
More trips. Okay. So yeah, I think at least for this year, yeah, the trips sounds like yes, but yeah, really a very good suggestion by you. Okay. So the school is having, is organizing lots of events, and we are planning a lot of initiatives for alumni also. So
Yeah.
will you be a part of those initiatives? Are you willing to be a part of that? Like
Uh,
recently we had the dense forest project where we had called our alumni to be a part of it. So would you be willingly, like, be a part of it, of those initiatives?
yes, I will be a part of those initiatives. I will be happy to be
Okay.
part of those initiatives.
Okay, so we can look forward to have you and be actively involved in the initiatives we plan.
Yeah, I'm looking forward to be a part of those initiatives.
Responsible. So I think for today we have done with the questions. Ma'am, would you like to say something, Principal Ma'am?
Okay. So, Unmukha, it was really a pleasure listening to you. And you're always welcome, not just for a day or a week, but as long as you want. But I hope you have saved your uniform. And we'll plan to arranging for a meet where you all can report in your uniforms. Usha ma'am, is my voice clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah,
It's
yeah,
clear.
yeah.
Okay. So, Unmukha, thank you for taking out your time during these days. I don't know what all you're involved in, maybe your online classes and your own reading time, but it was really great to meet you back again. I'm also very happy to see some of our other alumni with us in this program who would also be gracing the show very soon. We have Kashish here. Hello, Kashish. We have Krishna Lohiya. Hello, Krishna. Then we
Hello,
also
ma'am.
hello, how are you doing?
I'm fine, ma'am. How are you?
I'm good. And Kashish, congratulations from all of us. You
Thank you
are
so much, ma'am.
doing so great, and your work is being acknowledged on so many platforms and
Tha-
winning laurels. We are so proud of you. God
Thank you
bless
so
you.
much, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am. Good
And
afternoon.
Hello, Krishna. Good afternoon. How are you?
uh,
Ma'am.
Hello, Krishna. How are you doing?
Fine, ma'am. How are you doing?
I'm doing well. Thank you. So, we soon look forward to hosting you too. I hope you
Yeah,
all have
yeah.
filled the registration forms.
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
Kashish has confirmed. She is in the queue now.
Yes, yes, I'm aware of that. And then we also have so the first guest on this talk show. We also have Sharan. Hello, Sharan.
yes, all the friends are from London. He's in London, I think. Or is he
Let
in
us ask
India?
him if he is in India at the moment. Or
Okay.
hello, Sharan. If you can hear me, please unmute yourself. Sharan. Okay. So some of you who are Sharan that was asking him if he is currently in India or in London. And we wish all the best to all of you. Stay safe. Unmukha, all the best to you.
Yeah, ma'am. Thank you so much.
And convey my regards and continue with
Yeah,
your passion.
surely, surely.
Can we
Pursue.
request everyone to just keep the cameras on? We would like to take a selfie. Everyone who are comfortable, please switch on your cameras.
Yes, Unmukha, we needed a proper picture of yours. Thank you for doing that. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you,
Yeah.
everyone.
So thank you very much. Thank you, ma'am, for this opportunity. It was a great experience. Thank you, Unmukha, and all our students who were there on today. Thank you, all the teachers, all the admin staff who were present. So it was great doing this today, and it's really a great initiative of connecting with the alumni.
Usha
Thank
ma'am,
you
you
very much.
did a great job. So thanks to you and congratulations to you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thanks to Reshma for compiling a beautiful video.
Yeah,
And
thank you, Reshma.
Summit and everybody who is involved in making this possible. Have a great day ahead.
Yeah. Thank you, ma'am.
Have a great day, all of you. Bye.
Have a great,
Take care.
great
You guys
day.
are leaving?
Bye, ma'am.
Thank you, everyone.
Yeah, Sharan has come.
Hi, Sharan.
Hi.
Sharan,
How are you?
where are you?
Sharan,
I'm still in London. I'm still in
ma'am
UK.
has
Sharan,
let
in London or in India?
Ma'am has
I'm
left.
still in UK.
Sharan, switch on your
You're
camera.
still in UK. So how is in the situation in UK?
I won't be
Sharan, you
able
would
to
like to
switch
see
on
you.
my
Can you switch on
camera.
your camera?
I just woke up. I won't be able to do that.
How are you, Sharan?
Okay. That's
I'm
fine.
good.
But
I'm good.
how
How
is
are
the
you all?
situation there?
Good. All are good.
Okay.
In Bristol, it's fine. It's
So
not that panicky, but yeah, it's still there. Like we are
okay.
all
So
locked up.
you're locked up. Okay, your college is not shuttered.
Yeah.
Okay, so good that you have also joined us. Is it early morning there?
Yeah, it's not early morning. It's 11:15. 12, sorry.
Okay.
It's
Okay.
12:15.
So I think we didn't. So we have not, woke you up early then. That's fine then.
Yeah, that's no problem.
Unmukha.
Yeah, ma'am.
Sharon, do not end the meeting. I have requested Principal Ma'am to join in again.
Ma'am, I can't hear you.
I said you spoke very well.
Thank you, ma'am.
And you're looking so beautiful.
Thank you.
Yeah, she's a pretty girl.
She was always a pretty girl.
She was always a pretty girl, but she has switched off the camera right now. We are praising her.
Unmukha,
I'm blushing right now.
beta.
Thank you
Wish
so
you
much,
all the
ma'am.
best. And take care and keep progressing. Your confidence level has gone up big, very high. Good. Very happy to see that.
Yes.
Thank you, ma'am.
Love you.
Okay. So
Ma'am, we'll have a selfie with everybody, a remote selfie. So if everybody can stop the camera.
Sharon,
it's still not done. I think some.
Sharon, for a minute you can come on camera. You're not going to look that bad.
I
We
have
are sure.
Wait.
Who's
Let
beauty
me wear
eyes?
some clothes.
You will look handsome in any avatar. Don't worry.
He's naked.
Honestly, I'll have to wear clothes for that.
See, Unmukha is looking so cute.
Oh.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you.
All the come, like, come to your face. Hello. Hi, ma'am.
Yes, I'm coming.
Yeah, Sharan is also coming, showing his face. We are dying to
Yes.
see.
Just my face.
Yeah, we are dying to see your handsome face. Okay. Chalo.
So much time.
Sharon, we
Dhanashri
all
ma'am.
I have taken this.
There I go.
Yes. Yes.
Show your face, Dhanashri ma'am.
Oh, yes. Here we have.
Yes,
Here we
Smita ma'am.
have Sharon.
Show your face. Keep your camera on. Hi, Sharan.
So,
Ma'am, my camera on.
Acha, okay. I cannot see. Acha. Good. You're sitting
I
in
think
dark.
there is
you sit in
Ventus
the light.
event.
Yes, yes, it's dark.
Okay.
It's now winter. It's on
Unmukha.
Hi, ma'am.
Unmukha.
Hi, ma'am.
Hi, do you remember what I used to call you?
No.
Hello?
No.
You've forgotten?
I
Yeah.
think
Okay, fine.
Amit sir, I think the recording can be
Stop.
stopped, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Right,
Yes,
Smita ma'am?
yes,
Yeah, please stop the recording.
I'll just stop the recording. Just a
This is, we
second.
are having informal chat.